I just woke up and made that decision. Guys, I just woke up and I don't like the way I am looking. For real, I don't like the way I'm looking. See my, especially this hair. I'm looking like an homeless person. So I have decided to go and retouch it. I just woke up and my mind was like, go and retouch it. So that is what I want to do. Anything my mind tells me, that is what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be turning the hair from virgin into a relaxed hair. So let me go and bathe and go and relax it. I don't know how it's going to look because they were like, if my hair is soft, not really soft, so if I relax it, it will not be good. But I'm going to tell the lady that she should look for a good relaxer that I don't know, but I just want to go and do it. So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes, guys. So guys, I believe I'm taking this decision, and this is my bag. My tripod is here, my shampoo and conditioner, my router is inside the bag. So I am going. I don't know, I just have to do this. Yes, I just have to do it. So I'm there. Oh, good morning. So it's not inside, just looking for that. It's a virgin and I want to relax it for the first time. Oh! I don't know, I'm tired of virgin hair. I don't have any relaxer. Which one would you advise? Why you want to touch it? I'm sorry, virgin hair is stress. You've never touched it. Why you want to touch it? That's what I'm doing. Why you want to touch it? Why you want to touch it? I'm tired. I just decided. I just woke up this morning and decided to come out. Okay, 1.5. Oh, we're higher. Okay. The mega growth is recommended for it. I see which one at the first time. Use 1.5.
At this point, I was waiting for her, so I used the opportunity to eat the snacks I got because she had other jobs to attend to that I met on ground. So she finally answered me and she was applying some cream around my edges before applying the main relaxer. So she started applying the relaxer, all this process, and she was still telling me, why do you want to relax this hair? I said, Mama, I've made up my mind. The process still continues. So I was interacting with some of our customers, which some of them was my classmates, my hostel mates. We're just talking. Some were like, don't relax this hair. This side, the hair was already peppering me. I was telling the woman, like she was not done, but I started peppering me. But I said I had to carry it for some time so that the hair would be able to relax properly. If it don't relax properly, I believe my hair is going to spoil. I don't even know. She was done applying the relaxer. I had to watch movie to keep myself busy. For 30 minutes to reach. Up to 30 minutes. I think 20 minutes. I told the woman she should come and wash it because it was already hurting me. The process of washing it, my scalp was already burnt. She was done washing it. At this point, she was trying to apply cream and roll the hair. She was almost done rolling the hair so that I can go into the dryer. At this point, she was prepping me to go into the dryer. I will allow you all to watch the process.
Guys, dryer is not for the weak because I'm sweating. Relax my hair. swear. So guys, what do you think about this hair? What do you think? Do you think I made the right decision relaxing it, or I don't know, I'm going to my hostel. Let me get there, I'll do a better video. But it's okay, it's nice. So my hair is not my virgin hair. I want to cry, but I guess it's okay. So guys, my hair is no more a virgin hair. It's no more a virgin hair, but it's fine. I guess I'm going to use it to make a video on my other channel. Fine, get nothing. Okay, I have pimples. Okay, guys, I think this will be the end of the vlog because it's just for my hair. So I relaxed the hair. I have relaxed it. My body have calmed down. I just woke up and made that decision and I did it. Wow, my mind is strong. Bye, love you all. Thanks for watching my vlog. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment what you think about the hair. Is it okay? I think it's better than before because then my hair used to string and it's not just fine that way. That is why I decided to relax it and I've done it. So bye 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 bye.